Hi there, this is Puya from puyayoga.com. We are talking about knee pain today. You might feel it while you are walking downstairs or just walking in general or sitting for many hours or while asleep. It can be, of course, related to many reasons. Today we are focusing on a very simple exercise to fix knee pain. The main issue of our knees are connected to the thigh and the shin part. Lack of muscles and flexibility or strength here can cause the instability in our knees. I'm using my simple tool again, this time a rolled blanket or a towel. You want it to be quite thick. Place it under your knee. So I have quite a distance here to the ground, you see, and then flex it. By flexing, I mean raise here the leg or your foot and feel the activation, the flex in your thigh. Holding it for a few seconds and feel the burn and slowly relax. While lifting it, you can also place your hand on the thigh and feel that these parts, the quads, are getting activated. I also point my toes up or back to activate the shin muscle. As you just heard, the shin and the thigh are responsible to give you more stable knees. So, a few more rounds. You want to hold it up for 10 seconds. Squeeze back with your toes. Keep it really tight here. Feel it in the shin, in the thigh. And relax again. Go up and hold it. Already after these 2-3 rounds, I'm feeling a gentle soreness here. Remember, in all of our videos, we do everything super gently. You see how slowly I go up, slowly I point my toes back. There is never a shock or a fast movement. And down again. Up, hold it, feel it here. If you feel it's tiring for your back, you can also have your hands on your back while doing the exercise. But try to go fully up, toes back, full flex here, activation in the shin, and down. Inhale up. You can breathe normally also when you're up. Slowly down, and now we do it for the last round. Hold it for the last time for 10 seconds here. Feel it for the last time how active your thigh and the shins muscles are. The toes are pointing maximum to the back. The calf is also stretching a bit, and slowly relax. Slowly put the towel away. So if you watch my videos, you see always we do some exercises. At the end, we want to relax those parts also. If there is any possible tension, you want to relieve it. So therefore, we come here a bit closer, shake the legs, move them from right to the left. The thighs, the calves are shaking, and relax again. Observe the differences now between the left and the right side. It's very important to connect to your body. Feel this side is more activated, maybe feels lighter. The blood or energy is flowing better comparing to the other one. Feel free to repeat this video and do it for the other side as well. Thank you for watching. Find my full knee pain course in the description below. I see you there. Until next time.